And the customers ask for a specific employee or salesperson. Every now and then we will do these events. We pair them up with staffed events. Sometimes we have them sometimes at dealerships where they have greeters and things like that, or if they want to talk to a certain sales manager, right? So what we'll do is normally when we run these events, we'll tell them, the customer, when they go to the dealership, ask to speak to the incentive team. But we could change that. It doesn't have to be incentive team. It could be asked to speak to sales manager Joe, or asked to speak to Bob, or asked to speak to Mike, or whatever, right? We also run managed events, and when we run our managed events, it's the same thing. Whoever it is that's on our team that we're sending out to the dealership, these leads, that's who they're gonna ask for. So it might be for a Brian or a Carter or whatever, right? So the answer to that is yes. So whoever you want to be the first point of contact at the dealership, we have no problem put that in there. A lot of times what will happen is we'll say incentive team, and the dealerships just don't, the sales managers, they don't let everyone know what's going on, and the people go and they get there and they're like, I asked to speak to the incentive team, and they're like, we don't have one. So you just gotta make sure everyone knows that there's an event going on and who they're going to be asking for, whether it's an incentive team or it's Joe Schmo. It's all up to you, and we have no problem changing that up.